Hi everyone, I'm going to introduce you to Pinterest, and I'm in the Pinterest website. So I'm going to create one, or you could log into your Facebook, either one, but I'm going to create one real quick. And then press continue. I thought, let's see. Oops, I spelled my email wrong. Gmail. So, what is Pinterest? It is a social media website that allows users to organize and save images and videos from around the web. Images that uploaded by users like us are called pins and may be organized into pin boards, and which may be customized with themes and followed by other users. This shows right here um, everything that I am interested in, like recipes, makeup, um, smoothies, and different types of exercise. To create a board, you go up here in this little person icon, and I want to create a board, and I'm gonna name my board Healthy Foods. Create. Created. Okay, my board is um and now you can search for any recipes, and it shows up on your wall, your feed wall. So if I want to save a recipe, you go to save, and you could put it under, looks like Chinese food, so I will save it under Chinese. And then for desserts, I will save this under a dessert folder, or I need to create the board. So desserts. Oops, I think I spelled it wrong. And then you can like it, and then also you can share it to other social medias like Facebook, Twitter, and you can send it to the Facebook Messenger. And you can search for anything like artwork, ideas, or anything. You can just search about anything on here and create your boards and be very creative, inspiring. Um, and also you can like and comment. I guess you could comment around here. So yeah, you can. Okay. So Pinterest is very inspirational to anyone. Um, you can organize your ideas in an image format and create different types of boards that helps you to be motivated or inspire others. Um, it's very easy to navigate throughout this website, and for cons, when your board gets copied by someone else and then pinned to a different board, like to their board, You may lose the link to your content. That's what I research. This means your work is still being spread around, but it may not draw the same level of traffic back to your site. So I guess just be careful with that. I guess that's it. Thank you everyone for watching.